Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So recently I posted a poll on my Instagram profile that what should I do for the next video, like should I upload the installation process of Colt OS or I should review like unbox Mi11X. So most of you said that I should go for the Colt OS installation. So here it is, the installation video of Colt OS. So make sure to follow me on Instagram as I keep asking you guys what should I do next, what should I upload, and all the sneak peek and updates about the next video. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to avoid any confusion and to avoid any error. So in the process of the video, if you somehow break your device, maybe it's just hard break or soft break, there will be a playlist out there. Just go there and unbreak your device. It's really easy to do that and continue with the video again and watch till the end. I'm saying again because most of the problem happens when you don't do that. That's the reason I'm making this intro so longer than before. And if you have any problem, you can comment down below. I've replied to almost all of them, and if you are not getting any reply, maybe your comment is just between many other comments, so you can go on Instagram, follow me there and message me, and I try to help as many people as I can, like with screenshots and stuff. So without wasting further time, let's dive right into the video. So my name is Rohit and you're watching SnebTech, so let's get started. So the only thing that is required to install the Colt OS is an unlock bootloader. So if you haven't done that already, there will be a link in top right corner. Just go there, unlock your bootloader and continue with this video then. So after that, go to the link in description below and you will be on a XDA forum site like this. So just scroll down until you see the download button right here. So click on Colt OS builds and you will be redirected to a SourceForge site. So after that, download the version which you want. Like already done, so I won't do it again. Then you can even go back and download the recovery from here. Like you can see reboot to recovery here. So you will be redirected to a Google Drive site. Then just click on download and it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded both the files, so I won't do any of them now. So then once you have downloaded everything, just keep it in a separate folder. It will be easier for you to navigate along. So as you can see here, I have kept everything in a different folder. So once you have done that, move back to your device. So as you can see, currently my device is completely turned off. So once you turn off your device, just boot into fast boot mode by pressing volume up, volume down and power key all at once. So as you can see, my bootloader is unlocked as well. After that, connect your device to your PC. And head back to your PC again. So once you're on your PC again, just click on the search icon on top and type in CMD and press enter. So once you do that, type in fastboot devices and you can see a strings of number along with fastboot written beside it. That means your PC has detected your phone in fastboot mode. If you cannot see it, just install the OEM drivers from the link in description below, and after that you will surely see this. So once you have done that, just move this aside. And here you can see all two files which we have downloaded before. So after that, just type in fastboot flash boot and the name of the recovery. Basically we downloaded the recovery which was named recovery, but if it is named something else, just copy the exact name and type in .img in the end. Like I'll show you, the name of the recovery is recovery, so we will type in recovery .img, just because it's an image file, as you can see here, disk image file, and we'll press enter. So currently it's sending a boot on our device. So as you can see, it's finished. The recovery has been flashed on our device. So after this, then move back to your device again. Then you will be on this screen. So if you want to, you can disconnect your device from PC for now, but you will need to connect it again. So I will just keep it connected like I have done it now. So at this screen, just press your power key once. It will start your device into recovery. So once you are on this recovery, you can navigate through using the volume up, volume down key to go up and down, and power key to select, and you can even use the touchscreen feature if you want to, but I will prefer the volume up, volume down key to not accidentally click anything. So I will click volume down key twice. To go to the factory reset option, you have to do this as well. Then click on the power key and then power key once again to format everything. Then volume down key to go to the format data and press power key for one final time. So once the data has been formatted, you will be on screen like this. Now you can just click or touch on this back icon you can see on the top left. Just click on that to go back. So once you are again on this main screen, just use the volume down key to go to the apply update section and then press your power key to go to the apply update, then press power key on apply from ADB. Then head back to your PC again. So once you're on your PC again, just rename the zip file of Colt OS which you have downloaded to anything short. Like I will rename it to Colt OS, Colt OS, that's it. So once you have renamed your file, just download the platform tools from folder from link in description below. Like I've already done that, you can see over here. Then just extract it to its own folder or somewhere else you want. Like I'll extract it now. I'll click on extract here. And as you can see, our platform tools folder has been extracted. Now go back to your Colt OS folder where you have downloaded all the files. Then right click on your Colt OS zip file which you have renamed earlier. Then right click and cut or copy the file. I will copy it over here. Then go back to your platform tools folder and just paste the Colt OS folder over here. Like it's easy to do, just follow along. So once you have done that, just click on this search icon on top and type in CMD. And press enter, so one CMD window will open again. Then type in ADB devices. So you can see a strings of number along with side load written beside it. That means your phone has been detected in ADB mode to your PC. So after that, just follow along and make this go aside and type ADB space side load space the name of the folder that you copied just now. Like I have renamed it to Colt OS, so I'll write Colt OS. And the extension of the file, the extension of this file is zip, so like it's compressed in zip format, so I will write .zip and even you have to write .zip and press enter. And as you can see, currently our file is being sideloaded to our phone. It will take some time, around 5 to 10 minutes. And if you can see some pop-up on your screen, like this package will downgrade your system install anyway, just use your volume key and go to yes. Click on volume down key and then press power key to select it. Then your sideload will continue again. And as you can see, our installation process has been completed. So I will head back to my phone again, and if you can see some error of this kind, like ADB failed to read command, no error, it's nothing, it will end at 47% itself. It's all done, it's all good. Then I will head back to my phone again for the one last time. So once it's installed, you'll be on screen of this kind. Then just click on cancel. Then click on back on the top left corner. Then you'll be on this screen. Then just go for the factory reset once last time. I will navigate using my volume down key. Then click my power key to do that. Then once again power key. And then volume down key to go down to format data. Then power key once last time. So as you can see, it's being formatting. So once wipe is complete, then click on back icon again on top left. Then after that, finally you can click on reboot system now directly, or you can use the power key to do that. I'll use my power key right here. So as you can see, it's booting into our system. So as it's our first boot, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to start, so you don't have to panic. And I can see here Colt OS boot animation. I think when you can. And we have been booted into our system, as you can see over here. So this is the way you can install the Colt OS. So this is the way to install the Colt OS on your OnePlus 7T device, and I hope it was easy. Like it's tricky somewhere, but if you will watch the whole video, like follow along the video, so it will be easier, much more easier. So I was not able to put my phone's display screen as I recorded it but I forgot to click on the record button, so it got messed out. I'm really sorry about that. I'll surely put my phone screen from next time for sure, like I will not forget to press that record button. So if you have any doubts or any questions, or you are stuck somewhere, you can message me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. It will be helpful for me to grow, as I even post many stories and sneak peek of the next videos. Plus, if you can subscribe to my channel, we are very close to 1000 subscribers, like real 1000 subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. And even if you are watching and if you are new, please consider subscribing, as I bring videos like this usually. Like sometimes it gets late, but I will try to be more on schedule from now. So thank you so much for your love and support. That's all I can say. And it's my birthday on 29 August, so if you can just subscribe, it will be really great. Like I'm not telling any, like, to have that 1000 people who watches your channel and subscribe to your channel to watch your content. So even I will bring great content for you guys and try every day to make new changes, like to improve the quality of my video, and I think I'm doing that well. And in the next video we are going to unbox a laptop, so it will be a really different video from our main niche. So I hope you guys will support in that as well. So this is it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. SnebTech signing out. So we need to go to the apply button section, and as you can see, everything is